that didn't work out. Hey guys, it's Keegan. Welcome back to my channel. So today's video, we are doing another week in my life. Today's Tuesday. We had Veterans Day, which was Monday, or it was observed on Monday. It was off. So I didn't have school, so I didn't vlog because I just walked up a bunch of stairs. I'm sorry, I just sat in my car for a second. So I didn't vlog yesterday because we had Veterans Day off. So today's Tuesday. I had my sociology class, and then I got breakfast in the dining hall. Some of my sorority sisters, I got an omelet. Like, are we surprised? I'm obsessed with omelets. My mom's fiance is going to teach me how to make an omelet, and I'm really excited for it. I look forward to like waking up in the morning to eat an omelet. That's gonna make sound, that little crane thing. Oh, and there's a plane. Do we see the little plane? There, how cute. Can we see it moving right there? This is just dirt, but like right there it's moving. Right now I'm in my car. I'm about to go to my management's office. I recently got a manager because college, it was just like a lot and it just made the most sense career wise. So I don't know why I'm explaining that. Yeah, I got a manager to help me like sponsorships and things like that. So I have a package because whenever sponsorship stuff gets sent, they just send it to their office and then I just go pick it up. So that's what I'm about to do. I'm just like stalling. I also think I might go to Costco after that and get a mini fridge. I'm about to go pick up my package. Another parked car clip. So I'm in the Costco parking lot. Costco. I swear I'm not parked in handicap. I'm just parked next to handicap. Pinky swear. I just went to my management's office, picked up this, wait, where? That big package. I always get lost there. It took me like 10 minutes like walking around the complex to find like the exact one because I always lose myself. Like, not lose myself. I always get lost. And then last time I like got it the first try and I was like, perfect, I know where I am now. And then I got lost again. Yeah, fun. And then we talked a little bit about like some few exciting things coming up. So now I'm just getting a mini fridge because I need one. I already told you this. And yeah, let's go to Costco. I wish I was hungry because then I would get Costco like food court food, but I'm not. This could be a really cool gift set to ask for Christmas, but I already have one of these. I thought I would tell you guys. I get so distracted when I'm in here. I don't know where I would find a mini fridge. There's this right here, which honestly, like, I don't even microwave things anymore, but like, cute. I literally don't ever heat anything up because I just eat at the dining hall because I'm like too poor to buy food. I'm not, well, yeah. So just realized I need a cart, so we're going back to the front. I literally had to leave the store and get this cart and it's so loud. And where is a mini fridge? So after I walked up and down the aisles, I literally went through every single aisle. I finally found a worker and I was like, do you guys have any mini fridges? And he was like, oh, yeah, no, we don't sell those anymore. And I was like, so I was in there for like an hour. Do you see back there? I got makeup wipes and deodorant. Costco sucks you in. You always realize the stuff that you need when you're in there. Then you forget the stuff you actually need. Also, Costco makes me feel like such a good person because everyone in there is just like so mean and like bitter. And like I'm nice in there. I'm like, oh my God, I'm so sorry. Like, have a good day. And they're like shocked when I'm nice. Now we're either headed to Walmart or Target, whichever one's closer. Hoping Walmart. I like Target more, but I'm sure Walmart will have like a cheaper one. Whatever. So we're gonna, oh, she fell. Hi. We're gonna get a mini fridge. We're gonna do it. Walmart time. So I can't find a mini fridge. I asked a lady where it is and she said it was over here. Definitely not over here. I don't know if like they stopped selling mini fridges ever. Look, it's a mermaid tail. Ooh. Should I write something on it or is that immature? It's right. Oh. Okay. So that should say hi, but it doesn't look like it says hi. So mini fridge, where are you at? I don't know where they would be. Also can't find workers here. Walmart and Costco. Step it up. I feel like it would be here because this is where the microwaves are and like all the other kitchen stuff. As we can tell, no mini fridges anywhere at all. Is this all they have? I was hoping for a silver one. I could not get this into my cart. Some guy had to help me. He saw me struggling so hard and he was so nice and helped me. So thank you to the stranger who helped me. My camera also found the process. So hopefully she's working fine. Honestly, you guys, like, I just feel so like whoa right now. Like, not whoa, but like I feel like really thankful because one guy helped me get into my cart, one guy helped me get out of my car. He tried to help me put it in my trunk, but my trunk was too small, so we put it back here. And like the fact that there's like two strangers that are like willing to help me, it was just, I just feel so like blessed. Like, that's so weird, but like I don't know, the fact that like two strangers are just like willing to go out of their way to like help like a stranger with a heavy box, I'm very like, I love people. Makes me feel better after the whole like mean Costco people. Very thankful. I'm about to go back to my dorm now. Hopefully I'll have some friends help me move that. I'm gonna call them right now. Update, I think I just broke my toe. Ew, I hope that there's no people that like are into like feet. Yeah, that's ice. I like had in that box a really like thick pair of like booties that I dropped on my toe, so it like hurt. And then I opened my door like on my toe, and my toes like went under it, and like they like twisted when the door like opened, and it was really weird. And then I also had my friend bring that box in, and he was like struggling because it was really heavy, and I felt really bad. I did some homework. Later tonight I have a dinner with one of my friends because we're just, yeah, it's just we planned this dinner. Trying to think if there's any other updates. I took a nap. I really think my toe is broken, unless I'm being dramatic. Another update for you, my toe is turning blue, so yeah. Happy Tuesday. I'm currently taking apart the box for my fridge, and I really wish I time-lapsed it all because it would have been really funny because I struggled so hard. But I guess I'll time-lapse the rest of it maybe. Yeah, this stuff isn't mine, just that. So like, I'm not too messy. I need to like plug it in and like, okay, cute. Oh, nice. This is so satisfying. This like sticky tape stuff, like just the, ooh, love that. It smells weird in the fridge. Oh, okay, cute. So I just went to math. I have a class soon. I really have to pee, but I thought I'd show you my outfit. Why not? Okay, it's like, I don't know if this is my style, but I kind of like it, but that's not flattering. These are from Victoria's Secret. These are from Rue 21. This is from Princess Polly. This is from Brandy Melville. It's comfy. Also, my sorority's philanthropy is like the fight against, ooh, I think I just broke my camera. The fight against domestic violence. Hello. And so they had this thing where like you would put a handprint saying like these hands don't hurt. They gave us free stuff. So I got a Mary Kay lipstick little haul, a ribbon, and a keychain. And I'm gonna go because I have to pee right now. See you soon. Right now I'm in my study room that echoes a lot. I'm trying to be quiet because I feel like the people that live next door can hear me. But I'm doing some homework right now. That's all I got.
Okay, I'll see you later. Text me or something. I will. Can you love me?
This is really close to you.
I can't get it out of stock.
Happy Friday. We're in the echoey study room once again. So today's Friday. I didn't vlog much yesterday because I was literally just having mental breakdown after mental breakdown. So like a few clips that I got, that was from my sorority Alpha Chi. We had these hands do not hurt. Our philanthropy is the fight against domestic violence. So that was like these hands like do not hurt. Like we don't can like abuse people or hurt them, obviously. So that was really fun. I got some really cute pictures. Yeah, I was just too much of a mess yesterday to vlog. Like I was in my dining hall with a friend, and like the lunch lady, I guess you would call her, she like told my friend not to bring a plate in this one area, and I started crying in the middle of the dining hall because like the little things set me off because I was just so like overwhelmed, and just like yesterday was a mess. I feel really sick right now. I'm just giving you guys like an update. I feel really sick right now because I like had breakfast and then I wanted to go to a study session for my math test, and like the study session was like all the way across campus. And I was like speed walking like really fast to it. And so like I just eaten like speed walking, like almost running, like hurt my stomach. And then I got there. The thing started at 10:30. I got there at 10:32 because I got lost because I didn't know where it was. And they locked the door. I was 2 minutes late and they locked the door. And just because I'm like so drastically challenged, I couldn't find it. But fine, I guess I'll go to one on Sunday. Tonight is my sorority's formal. Maybe I can vlog that. I don't know. Maybe I'll do like some like iPhone clips. But yeah, I don't like the dress I'm wearing for it. But it's going to be fun.
That's a cool shirt.
Really? That's cool. Ooh. Ooh. Mom, I want these. They're so soft, okay? Okay. I also want this. Should I get it? Oh, it's too short. Dang it. Okay, we're just gonna cut out a little bit. Like I said earlier, today is my fall formal for my sorority. I had just gone to Nordstrom Rack to get my data dress shirt because they didn't have one on campus. And then I'm just now getting ready. That was cringy. I'm sorry. Yeah, I'm gonna stop. So I just finished getting ready. Here is the look. Okay, my dress, I spilled makeup on it. It's whatever. It's from Windsor. It's not like the typical fall formal dress. Like most people wear like super tight ones, but no. And then my shoes, they're like these nude heels from Q. I have these hoops. The bigger the hoop, the bigger the hoe. Just kidding. Went Nordstrom Rack, and then my necklace is from Forever 21. Here's the makeup. I'm wearing like my favorite like half lashes. These are the Camila Easy Lashes from Huda Beauty. So I have to go. I'm running a little late, but so is my date, so it's fine. Another look, blurry look. Peace. So I don't know how much I'm going to film of my fall formal. If I film something like on my iPhone, then I'll like insert it here. But if not, thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope that you liked it, and love you so much, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.